To build a Semrush project, start by logging into your Semrush account and navigating to the Projects tab. Click on the Create a New Project button and enter a name for your project. This will be the title of your project and should be descriptive and easy to identify. Next, select the type of project you want to create from the available options such as audit or competitor analysis. Choose the domain or website you want to analyze and select the target location and device type. You can also set up a crawl limit and schedule to control how often Semrush crawls your website. Once you have set up the basic project settings, you can start adding tools to your project. Semrush offers a range of tools including technical SEO, audit, position tracking, and competitor analysis. Choose the tools that are most relevant to your project goals and add them to your project. For example, if you are conducting a technical SEO audit, you can add the Site Audit tool to your project. This tool will scan your website for technical SEO issues such as broken links and duplicate content. You can also set up email notifications to alert you to any issues that are found. After adding tools to your project, you can view the data and insights provided by Semrush. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. You can also use the competitor analysis tool to compare your website to your competitors and identify opportunities to improve your online visibility. To get the most out of your Semrush project, make sure to regularly review and update your project settings and tools. This will ensure that your project remains relevant and effective in helping you achieve your online marketing goals. By following these steps, you can build a comprehensive Semrush project that provides valuable insights and helps you improve your online presence.